Welcome to Fact Fusion Network. Today, we're diving into one of the harshest environments on Earth, the desert. But what makes this barren, sandy landscape so fascinating? The plants. That's right, desert plants have mastered the art of survival in extreme conditions. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating facts about desert plants and how they thrive in such a harsh environment. Desert plant adaptations. To survive in the desert, plants have developed remarkable adaptations. Unlike plants in lush forests or wetlands, desert plants face extreme heat, lack of water, and poor soil. So, how do they do it? Let's take a look. First, desert plants have evolved incredibly deep or wide root systems. This helps them absorb as much water as possible, even from the tiniest traces of moisture deep underground. Some cacti, for example, have shallow roots that spread wide, capturing rainwater immediately after a brief shower. Other plants, like the mesquite tree, have roots that can extend over 150 feet deep to tap into underground water sources. Water storage and retention. Another incredible adaptation of desert plants is their ability to store water. Cacti are masters of water conservation. Their thick, fleshy stems allow them to store large amounts of water during rare rainfall events. This water is then used slowly over time, helping the plant survive long periods of drought. Many desert plants also have waxy, thick skins that reduce water loss through evaporation. This waxy coating acts like a protective layer, sealing in moisture. They even close their stomata, tiny pores used for gas exchange, during the hottest part of the day to further minimize water loss. Unique defense mechanisms. Now, desert plants have more than just survival strategies, they've developed clever defense mechanisms too. For example, cacti and other desert plants often have sharp spines. These spines not only deter animals from eating them but also provide shade and help reduce water loss by breaking up the wind around the plant. And it's not just cacti. Some desert plants, like the creosote bush, produce chemicals that inhibit the growth of nearby plants. This allows them to avoid competition for the limited water and nutrients available in the desert. Photosynthesis on a schedule. In most plants, photosynthesis happens during the day when there's sunlight. But for desert plants, daytime can be too hot and dry. So, many desert plants perform a type of photosynthesis called CAM, crassulacean acid metabolism, where they open their stomata at night to absorb carbon dioxide. This allows them to conserve water during the hot daytime hours while still producing the energy they need to survive. The role of dormancy. Sometimes, the best way to survive is to take a break. Some desert plants enter a state of dormancy during extremely dry periods. This means they slow down their growth and conserve as much energy as possible until more favorable conditions return. When rain finally falls, these plants come back to life, blooming and growing rapidly to take full advantage of the water. Flowering after the rain. One of the most beautiful aspects of desert plants is their ability to bloom spectacularly after a rare rainfall. Plants like the desert lily and the ocotillo can remain dormant for months or even years, waiting for the right conditions. But when the rain does come, they burst into a riot of color, attracting pollinators and producing seeds quickly before the desert returns to its dry state. Fascinating desert plants around the world. Deserts around the world host some of the most unique plants on the planet. In the Sonoran Desert of North America, we have the iconic saguaro cactus, which can live for over 150 years and grow up to 60 feet tall. In Africa's Namib Desert, you'll find the bizarre Welwitschia plant, which only grows 2 leaves but can live for over 1,000 years. And in Australia, the hardy spinifex grass thrives in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. The resilience of desert plants. Desert plants are true survivors. Through incredible adaptations and resilience, they've learned how to thrive in some of the most unforgiving environments on our planet. Next time you see a cactus or a desert flower, remember, their survival story is nothing short of extraordinary. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating world of desert plants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join us next time on Fact Fusion Network for more captivating insights into the wonders of our world.